Hello everyone, myself Sneha Murthy, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from ISC branch. Today we are going to discuss a topic called grounded theory. First is grounded theory in research methods. Grounded theory is a powerful qualitative research methodology that enables researchers to develop theories grounded in empirical data. This presentation will guide you through the key principles, methods, and the applications of the grounded theory to enhance your research. This is all about the grounded theory in the research methodologies, that is the introduction part. Next is introduction to grounded theory. First is systematic methodology and the next is open-ended exploration. The systematic methodology is the grounded theory is a systematic inductive approach to building theories from data. This is meant by the systematic methodology, and the open-ended exploration refers to it allows for the open-ended exploration of a phenomenon without pre-existing hypothesis. This is about the open-ended exploration. Here we can see the points that are gathering more data reveals no theoretical insights about the grounded theory. The analytic steps in which the groups of node are clustered concepts according to the overriding significance, or it will bring analytics to an abstract theoretical level. Quotes from the prior theories or the analytical schemes that has means to integrate their analytical categories. A perspective type of a coding that specifies the property dimension of the category surrounding core phenomenon. And these are all the things which we'll study in the introduction to the grounded theory. And the next is origins and the key principles. First is the constant comparison and the next is theoretical sensitivity. Constant comparison refers to systematically analyzing and comparing the data to identify the patterns and develop concepts. And the next is theoretical sensitivity. It's maintain on an open curious mindset to recognize the significance of the data. Here we can see the grounded theory steps. These are the origins of the key principles, that is of constant comparison and theoretical sensitivity. Next is what are the data collections which we can see in the grounded theory. First is interviews and the next is observation. Interviews in-depth, open-ended interviews to gather the rich and detailed data. Observations, carefully observing participate in their natural setting. This is all about the interviews and the observations which we these are all the data collections which we can see in the grounded theory. The next is coding and the constant comparative analysis. First is open coding, next is axial coding, and third is selective coding. The breakdown the data into the initial concepts and the categories is open coding. Relating the concepts to each other to develop the higher level categories is axial coding. Integrating and refining the categories to form a central theory is selective coding. These are the three types of the open coding and the constant comparative analysis which we can see in the research methodology. First, the breaking down of the data into initial concepts. The concept is breaking down into the small data so that everyone can easily understand this open coding. And the next is relating concepts to each other to develop higher level categories. The higher level categories will develop on the relating concepts. Next is selective coding, integrating and the refining categories to form a central theory. Theoretical sampling and saturations. Theoretical sampling refers to strategically selecting participants or the data to further develop the emerging theory. And the next is theoretical saturation, continuing data collection until no new relevant information is obtained. This is about the theoretical sampling and theoretical saturation, which you can see in the grounded theory. Next is memo-writing and conceptualization. Memo-writing means the documenting thoughts, ideas, and the insights throughout the research process. That we can document our thoughts, ideas, and the insights which we can present throughout the process, and the conceptualization refers to the transition from the descriptive codes to the higher level conceptual categories. That is, of transitioning from descriptive codes of higher level conceptual categories is the memo-writing and the conceptualization. This is the experimentation strategy outcome example approval study. These are the examples of the memo-writing and the conceptualization. Next is theory generation and the validation. First is integrating concepts and the next is theoretical validation. See, integrating concepts is synthesizing the categories into a coherent substantive theory. Theoretical validation means evaluating the theory's fit, relevance, and ability to explain the phenomena. This is called the theory generation and validation. Theory generation and the validation will be ended by these two concepts. Next is applications of grounded theory, or organizational studies, healthcare research, and the social sciences. Organizational studies refers to examining the complex organization phenomena and developing the context-specific theories is known as organizational studies. Healthcare research refers to gaining the deeper insights into the patient experiences and healthcare processes. And the social science refers to exploring the human behavior interaction and the social process in the depth. These are all the applications of the grounded theory which we can use in the daily sectors, that is of health research, social science, and the organizational studies. All these things. Next is strength, limitations, and considerations. Strength is of flexibility, inductive nature, and grounding in empirical data. And the limitations are time consuming, potential of the research bias, and challenges and all the challenges which are faced in generalization. Thank you.